Information about oak. Oak is a type of tree that belongs to the genus Quercus and the family Fagaceae. There are over 500 species of oak trees found all over the world, and they are well known for their characteristic strong, hard wood. Oaks are deciduous or evergreen trees, depending on the species, and they can vary in size from small shrubs to large, towering trees. The leaves of oaks are typically lobed and can be quite large, with some species producing leaves that are over a foot long. Oaks are important to many ecosystems as they provide food and shelter for a wide range of wildlife, including birds, insects, and mammals. They are also valued for their wood, which is used in furniture making, construction, and flooring. In addition to their ecological and economic significance, oaks have cultural importance as well. They are often featured in literature, art, and mythology, and they have been symbols of strength, wisdom, and longevity in many cultures throughout history.